What kind of a snorer are you? Introducing the silent partner. The world's first SmartPatch to quiet snoring noise. Silent Partner is a smart, lightweight and compact device that elegantly tackles what other products don't, the snoring noise. The Silent Partner creates a silent zone around the person wearing it, giving you and those around a better night's sleep. How does it work? Silent Partner uses patented active noise cancellation that detects the unwanted snoring sound and generates a counter sound, which suppresses it. The result? Well, it's as simple as a plus and minus. They cancel each other out.
Many of us have probably been there, being around or creating a symphony of snoring noises that create frustrating nights for us and our partners. Most snoring products today don't fully solve the snoring problem. They are often intrusive and disrupt the quality of sleep.
So instead of tackling the snoring, we decided to simply find a solution for the noise. Using vast experience with ANC technology and sleeping experts, the Silent Partner was designed and developed to be effective from as close as 20 centimeters away. Place Silent Partner over your nose and gently adhere it to your face. The hypoallergenic adhesive will secure the device in place comfortably while you sleep. Be one of the first to experience Silent Partner and finally give you and your partner a real silent night.